guys, Master Mystic here, and today we're playing Jigsaw's Revenge. So basically, the infamous Jigsaw killer has kidnapped you and another 5 strangers. Only one of you will be able to survive. Will it be you? So he basically pushes you through these bunch of challenges, and you gotta try to survive them. This counts as a scary video, my first part scary video. No, you're saying, Master Mystic, it is time to play a game. Saw-plays. God, scaredy cats. I'm telling you. Greetings and welcome. I want to play a game. If you lose, you will spend the rest of your life in this room. If you want to win, you will have to find a key and escape before the time runs out. You will have 60 seconds. There are only 5 keys for 5 doors. Let the game begin. Bro, let me get a key. Oh, you found key 5. Okay, I found key 5. Haha. I got key. Am I safe? Yes, let's flipping go. Are you telling me 2 people made it? The device which is locked on your head, blah, blah, blah. When you run out of time, it will open wide, destroying your jaw in the process. You will have 60 seconds to get to the key and free yourself from the device. You will also have to escape through one of the doors outside your room. Your time starts now. Come on, click the red circles, click the red circles, click the red circles. Come on. Come on. Come on, give me the power, give me the power, give me the power, give me the power. The power. Okay, I broke myself free. Come on, get. Yes, what do I do? Do I get out? Bro, how do I get out? Is there like a door that I don't know about? Bro, I'm gonna lose! Where's the key? How is it too late? How is it too late? How is it too late? How? I hate this game. The device, yeah, whatever. Bro, shut up. Come on, puppet, hurry up. Yes, I'm free. Get the key. Hurry up, dude. Alright, hurry up. Alright, yeah. Open me. Yes, alright, we did it. Ha, stupid. Oh, shoot. Alright, we made it, guys. This is so awesome. In front of each of you is a loaded shotgun. I can see that. Soon, the cube at the top of the cylinder will change its color. Once it does, you have 10 seconds to press the button which is colored the same as the cube. Be the 4th to press the correct button, and the shotgun facing you will shoot. If you fail to press the correct button in time, the shotgun facing you will shoot. Are you quick enough to stay alive? Shoot. Ah, shoot, I messed it up. Yup, I knew it. Bruh, this game's hard. There's no reason for it to be this hard. Oh, this is why. I don't like to play these kinds of games. And it gives me... My God, join the circle! Join the circle! Are you that stupid to not join the circle? Let me join the circle! Join the circle! Are you blind? Trunk! Stupid Dragon Ball character. Yeah, come on, I hate this girl, but she's smart enough. Get in the circle! Time to play a game. Yeah, shut up, Jigsaw. We get it. Okay, so I think I got it. I'm pretty sure I got it. Okay, alright. Okay, we're finally on the lost course. Please survive. I hate this. This gives flashbacks. You'll see why. Oh god, I hate this game. It sucks. Why do I have a black dummy? Like, it's very hard to see the keys you're going to be putting in. The dummy in front of you will represent your life. If it dies, you die. Soon, the saws will start heading towards the dummy's direction and will reach their target in 1999, whatever. Save your dummy by unlocking all of the locks on it. The keys for the locks are at the end of the room. Once you unlock all the locks, and the saw approaching your dummy will deactivate, and case behind the dummy will open. It has the key for your freedom. Hurry though, only 2 of you can escape this room. Your time starts now. Come on. I hate this. This is why. Come on, please. Oh my god, what? How? Bruh! Yee! Bruh! I hate this game. I'm never playing this again. I hate it. Put it in. Put the key in. Go. Go. Why? No. How come I can't get in? I can't get in. No! I couldn't get in. Put it in. Alright, come on, go. Open it. Idiot, open up the thing. Oh, alright, we're good, right? We're good, right? Are we good? What? God, please, God. No, yes.